You can see that it's got a nice, thick, padded mesh seat on here.
I got the Chairelax mesh home office chair. Decided to build it in the backyard because it's nice out. Why not? This is a mid-back mesh chair with adjustable lumbar support, flip-up armrests, and it takes a rolling load of up to 300 pounds. They provided us with all the tools, and they've given us detailed instructions in the box. And it says that no additional tools are required. I'm probably going to use my own Allen wrench for this. It's all you need is an Allen wrench. It has like 12 screws. This should be easy. And I'm just going to build it on this table right here. And it's pretty simple. You just build it in 4 different sections right here. Comes in this box. Everything's all wrapped in bubble wrap for us, and I'll explain all this probably on an audio overdub as I build it. They've given us this kit right here that has everything we need in here. You got an Allen wrench, a couple of caps to cover the screws, and an extra set of caps. You always want extra screws. This is great. So there's 10 of these, 10 and 2. That's all we need. 5mm Allen wrench. So I'm going to use my own T-wrench here.
I was able to just push these wheels into the holes. I probably could have used a rubber mallet to make it a little bit easier, but they went in there pretty easy, and the cylinder itself just sits right in the hole. You just set it in there.
There we go. Bottom part complete. That was terribly easy. Just want to point out this is a nice, very sturdy pump cylinder on here, and these wheels rotate 360 degrees, but they don't lock, which I actually like the fact that they don't lock. Every single one of the screws in here is going to be a long screw, except for 2 short screws which go on the frame of the bottom. We'll get to that when we get to it.
The armrests they're flip-up armrests, so they're, you can kind of save space and get them out of the way if you want to slide in and out of your chair, however you like. But they're easy to install. Just 2 screws on each side, and you're done. Nothing to it.
There's 4 screws we just put in, get a cap. Here they are, 4 caps, easy enough. Put those guys into place. One. You can only put this on one way. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that guy on, and it tells us we're using the large screws.
This padded mesh seat, it's pretty thick, and it can only be installed one way, and it actually has a little sign on the front that says front. It tells you that which way the chair is supposed to go, so that's easy, and you're using the 4 large screws on there. Nice padded seat.
That's it. Now we're left with 4 screws, 2 long and 2 short. So far, every screw we've used has been a long screw. It says front right here on here, and the chair has a front, so short screws in the top, long screws on the bottom section.
So you just match the front logo on the front of the bracket to the front of the chair and put the 4 screws in easy.
And there it is. Awesome. Now the only thing left to do is put the back on the chair itself, and we're done with the assembly. That's it. The seat adjusts 4 inches up and down. 4 inches up. Look at that, buddy. We just got tall. 4 inches up. Hold on. We'll go down. 4 inches down. That's 4 inches. The armrests go at 90 degrees. Look at that. If you pull the lever on the side right here, you can lean back. I like that option. And if you push the lever in, it locks it into place, but it still has some flexion. There's a little bit of flexing on here. I like it. I'm a big guy. I'm 6'2", and I'm mere 240 pounds, and I feel great. This thing has a load capacity of up to 300 pounds. 300 pounds. Okay, now we're about 260 on here. Good boy.
You can see that it's got a nice, thick, padded mesh seat on here. It appears to be made of durable, thick, breathable mesh cloth. It should help keep you cooler in the summer months. Same on the handles here and everything. This back, you get the lumbar support there. S-curve on the chair. Nice mesh back right here. Very nice. So if you're looking for a great office chair, desk chair, computer chair, whatever chair, with a 300-pound load, lumbar support, adjustable armrests, and a breathable mesh back and seat, check out this one by Chairelax. Check it out.